Hello ladies and gentlemen, today I'm back with another fashion video, but this time with a twist. Last time I tried on a bunch of different outfits for you, but this time I'm trying on outfits on the mannequins. So the first shop I'm going to is H&M and I'm scoping out the mannequins to pick out one or two outfits. First I wanted to show you the outfit I was in the mall with today. I find it easiest to wear a dress when I'm going to be trying on clothes because it's the quickest to take off and the quickest to put back on. So, first outfit from H&M was this cute little shirt. I love the details at the top and I like the color. It's earthy toned and very comfortable. The fabric's nice and soft and it was paired with some black jeans. Now I'm not a fan of jeans, but I do like the casual look of this outfit. Next is this cute red summer dress. It's very comfy, again very casual and something for an anyday wear. I love the way it flares out a bit too. I feel it suits me. Next is your typical popular girl outfit. It's this off-the-shoulder top with puffy sleeves and it's a little short like a crop top and then you pair it with some denim skirts or jeans. I don't think this suited me quite well, but I think it's just not my style. This, however, this red jumpsuit, I felt suit me the best out of all the outfits. I felt super cute, which was a big surprise because I've never worn flare pants before because I thought they would look dumb. But overall, I like the look of this outfit. So I might actually go back and buy it or something similar in the future. But next, I decided to go to Woolworths because they always have a lot of mannequins standing around. Now, I wasn't the biggest fan of this yellow dress. I think I just wasn't wearing my right size, but I wasn't going to look for a smaller one. So I put it on. I do like the A-line at the top, but I'm not a fan of the defined slit that kind of goes all the way down because you see the line all the way from the top. I did like the belt. Without the belt, there wasn't enough going on and the dress looked very plain. This next one is a bit more up my alley. I like the length of it, I like the soft material, I like how flowy it is. I like the blush tone of it. This is something I would wear to like a Sunday afternoon family lunch. Not on my typical day though. Then this white dress, just like the other two from Woolies, I would wear. It's just not something I choose to wear. It's not quite my style, but the cut did suit me and the pattern was cute. I do enjoy the off-the-shoulder thing in this form too. But again, save it for family events. Next, I decided to hit up Edgar's because they also have a lot of mannequins. And their mannequins love this off-the-shoulder look. I don't usually wear lines or stripes like these. It wasn't terrible, but I felt this made me look a bit older. It was cute though to show a bit of skin like that, so maybe I'd wear more tops with that type of shoulder. This second one, I liked the color of. The teal or the blue was beautiful. I'd love a few more things in this color, and I definitely enjoyed it more with the shoulders off, but it is something I would pair with a belt to add a little bit more definition. I'm not too crazy about an off-the-shoulder dress that is too flowy. That's more a t-shirt dress thing. But this last dress, this white one, I know it's different, but it was my favorite one. I felt super cute with the high up collar and the slightly poofy sleeves, and then the way it went in at the waist and the textured pattern on it, I just thought it was super cute. Again, not an everyday wear necessarily, but for that special occasion, this one would be nice. Anyways, thank you so much for going on this interesting adventure with me, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!